me, Joni, and welcome back to my channel. I always look forward to videos like this, such as unboxing and doing reviews. So this time, I'm going to be unboxing the newest and the most affordable phone in the market, which is the Realme C11. This is priced at 4,990 pesos. So that is really affordable and awesome. And this one is perfect for online classes, especially for students. As required by DepEd, the requirements are met with this kind of specifications, which you will watch later on. So, keep on watching! So, this is the Realme C11. So, it comes with the Smart 5G Ready SIM. And this is the receipt from Realme. Okay, let's open it. So the price of the Realme C11 is 4,990 pesos. The key features or specifications of the Realme C11 is included in the description here at the back of the box. It says there is a 2 gig in this variant. There's a 2 gig RAM and 32 gigabytes of ROM, and the color is mint green, and the battery is 5,000 milliamp hour, and then the camera is 30 megapixel AI dual camera, and the display is it has 6.5 mini drop full screen, and the CPU is Mediatek Helio G35 gaming processor. Colorway of the Realme C11. The other one is the pepper gray, and this one is the mint green. The back design of the Realme C11 is matte finish, and it is also anti-fingerprint and smudge proof. It is really nice and shiny too. Let's talk about the ports. On the right side is the volume rocker and the power button. Nothing sits on top. There are no ports here. Below is the 3.5mm audio jack, micro USB cable, microphone, and speaker. On this side is the SIM card tray. Let's open it. So it is dual SIM with micro SD card with expandable up to 256 GB of storage. Now let's power up the Realme C11. it has a 6.5 inches IPS LCD HD+. And it is powered by Android 10 or Realme UI 1.0. In the front facing of the phone, there are home screen and there are icons here. You can add shortcuts of your favorite apps. And there is also the app tray. So these are the complete list of apps and some other the settings. There is also a dark mode feature of the Realme C11. They're setting to dark mode. Wow, really nice, right? Next is we set up a face unlock as a security. So input your digital password and enroll your facial info. There you go. Let's test the face unlock. Do it again. Wow, that was really fast. There is no fingerprint sensor at the back of the Realme C11. However, one of its key features is the 5000 mAh massive battery. So it can really last for more than a day, but it depends on your connectivity, especially if you're using Wi-Fi or data. And let's talk about the camera. The camera is a dual camera setup, and the main shooter is 30 megapixels with wide angle, and the secondary camera is 2 megapixels f2.4 aperture depth sensor. The rear camera also features a night mode, but is not present in the selfie camera. The selfie camera, it has a 5 megapixels f2.4 aperture 27mm wide angle. Selfie camera has the photo mode and the portrait mode. Now let's try it.
How many days in a week? Days.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good. How many colors in the rainbow?
7.
Seven. What is the day after Friday?
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yes, very good. When you wave your hand, when you wave, what will you do? What will you use? When you wave like that, what
It's
will
like
you use?
hello. It's like
The hands. Yes.
for the hello.
How
Hi,
many legs do you have? How many legs do you have?
legs. I know. There are 2.
You're two. How many ears do you have?
2.
Two.
1, 2.
Yes. How many nose?
Just 1.
How many mouth?
Just 1, 2.
Yeah. How many eyes?
2.
Ah, very good. What is the letter before letter B?
Before. Alright. A.
Yeah, very good.
Ayan, I'm trying the video call of the Realme C11. Hi, friend! How are you?
Doing good. How are you?
Okay naman. So, how's life? After kahit pandemic.
Buhay pa rin naman. Buhay pa rin.
Oh, basta happy, no? Ayan. So, ano masasabi mo sa video ko ngayon? Malinaw ba siya? Naririnig mo ba ako?
Malinaw siya. Maganda. Maganda yung color niya. Maganda yung effect.
Wow, thank you. Alam mo ba, ang gamit ko, yung Realme C11. Sobrang affordable nun.
Talaga? Tapos
Oo.
malinaw pa yung mo, yung boses mo.
Boses ko. Ayun. Basta ingat ka dyan always. Okay.
Ikaw din, ingat. Namimiss na kita.
I miss you too. Now, let's play Mobile Legends. The CPU of the Realme C11 is Mediatek Helio G35 gaming processor, and it really runs smoothly while I was playing Mobile Legends, and I experienced no lag while playing it. So, and this is on medium settings, and it's really running smoothly. Okay, that is great. But even though I was defeated. So, what do you think of the Realme C11? For me, I think this is a very good entry-level phone kasi it's perfect for video calling and for online classes. It's very useful. I also tried ML here, playing games in medium settings, and it is running really smoothly. So, pwede din siya sa gaming and in playing videos. It is also good. Kaya lang, yung downside niya, wala siyang fingerprint sensor. So, you can unlock this phone using face unlock lang. So, yun lang yung level of security niya. And also, hindi pa siya Type-C. It is still in micro USB. So, medyo mabagal siya mag-charge na umabot almost 3 hours until fully charge. So, yun lang. Pero it is still a great phone for its price. You really get what you paid for with the Realme C11. Lalo na nowadays, we must be practical. We need to save money. So, a budget phone like this is really good. I hope I was able to give you enough information about the Realme C11. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more updates and future videos. Thank you so much. Bye!